Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Arbitrum airdrop. I think that soon we are going to have it. I will explain why I think that, what is telling me that very soon we are going to have the airdrop sooner than you expect. I'm going to compare a little bit about Optimism. I'm going to go really quickly with all the step-by-step that you need to get this airdrop, and what video you need to see of my channel to get the step-by-step guide on each of these things. So if this is your first time to look into the Arbitrum airdrop, you will find everything in this video and in my other videos to do step-by-step so you don't miss this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, remember that if you go to the section of videos and you search for Arbitrum, you will get all my videos, everything that you need to do to get this airdrop. So the step-by-step for Arbitrum 1, what you need to do for Arbitrum NOW, what you need to do multi-sign your wallet so you have more chances to boost your rewards, and also how to get the NFT from Odyssey that we are going to need. So guys, in this video I want to tell you that I think that really soon we are going to have the airdrop. Why? Because today, Saturday, we have a news in that today about the Arbitrum airdrop, and usually I have been experiencing the same with Optimism and another airdrops, that when you start to see news about it, not in the YouTubers because we are behind this news, but when you see the news in blogs and important web pages for crypto like that today, that means that we are really close to get this, because this is already going to the mass adoption, and usually the people that is not so paying attention to this stuff will miss the airdrop. So guys, in this article, like you can see, Arbitrum RB token may be airdropped to these crypto holders. The Arbitrum, a dominant Ethereum-based second layer network on optimistic rollups, is on the eve of its much anticipated token distribution. It looks like getting to the RBI token will not be an easy task. Arbitrum, a layer 2 scaling solution protocol on top of Ethereum, will highly likely distribute its token in the near future. At the same time, its team has not released an official eligible guideline, notice anonymous crypto enthusiast who goes by Optimisim on Twitter. So we are going to cover this because it's actually really interesting, but I want to talk a little bit about why I also think that for Arbitrum they really need to launch the token soon. Like you can see, Arbitrum is still leading the layer 2 solutions and it's a little more big than Optimism, and after that the other layer 2 solutions is small percentage. Even if we have some good news for Arbitrum in the last week, for example the OpenSea partnership, Optimism also was after 2 days included in OpenSea, and even if each quarter-over-quarter the daily transactions of Arbitrum saw a 62.7% growth despite an unfavorable macro environment, right now Arbitrum is really close of Optimism. If you go to DeFi Jama, you will see what I meant. Arbitrum has a total value lock of 967 million, while Optimism at the moment of recording has 908 million. If you have been paying attention since May, when they launched the token was a very big boost for their TVL, the mass adoption, and many other great benefits that they have. So Optimism growth like 3 times after they launched the token was a major catalyst for adoption for Optimism. So Arbitrum needs to do that. And actually I will show you here in DeFi Jama. Right now I am not counting in the TVL the staking, the pools and the borrows. If I active all this, you will see that the TVL grows a lot. This is the staking, include governance tokens staked in the protocol, include the staked IP tokens where one of the coins in the pair is the governance token, and borrows. So why is that? If you see, Arbitrum has 1.43 billion on that, but if you go to Optimism has 1.75 billion. And this is because of the token also. But if you active everything, actually Optimism has more TVL than Arbitrum. So Arbitrum really needs the token right now. I don't think they're going to wait much more time. I think it's going to happen in 2022. So we are just 1 or 2 months from getting that news. This is going to happen in autumn. If we go to the thread of Johnny here, DeFi Riddler, I will put the link on the description, but I already covered everything here in my video. So I recommend you to go here because also it's a step-by-step guide. But basically, he says that with the OP airdrop was worth $50,000 at its peak, and the same will happen for Arbitrum. So guys, that is also true. I know people that get $20,000 with the Optimism airdrop, and we are going to check exactly everything you need to do now. So how to get the airdrop according to DeFi Riddler. So the eligible checklist 101. So Arbitrum Odyssey campaign. This is what I explained in this video, the NFT that you need. Mainnet transactions, I explained all that in Arbitrum guide, step-by-step guide. Discord roles guild, I explained that in the same video. Participate in the network, I explained also that. 8 Arbitrum Odyssey. He says here that if you didn't claim the NFT, you can do it. All the NFT on Odyssey is explained on my video. 10 mainnet transactions. Remember that you need to use the bridge. This is something that I commented also in my video here in the step-by-step guide. You need to bridge from Ethereum into Arbitrum 1 and into Arbitrum Nova here. But you need to send to your MetaMask or your wallet money from a centralized exchange, for example, into your MetaMask Ethereum to the mainnet. Remember that. And then here in the bridge, you will be bridging Ethereum into the 2 Arbitrum networks. But you need to do that because probably if you just add Arbitrum 1 and you send in from another Arbitrum 1 wallet into here, maybe the not use of the bridge, it will harm your airdrop here. So be sure to use the bridge. And then all you need to do is interact with the dApps. You need to go to any of the dApps with the portal. You go to portal 1 here on Arbitrum. The same, you have a portal for Arbitrum Nova. For Nova, remember I have this video that explains step by step how to use Nova here. And you go here and you can go to any of the exchanges and swaps and use all the apps that you can. Over time is better, more the apps here, he mentioned all that. Then you have the Discord roles guide. To do that, you need to go to the Arbitrum Guild and there you need to complete all these tasks. I cover all that exactly in the Arbitrum Airdrop step-by-step guide, so we don't need to read all that. He mentions here how to do all of them. After doing this, you need to go here, connect with Discord, and then you will need to click the icons that they say. Once you are in the Discord, you need to click one button there and you will see this, the successful join to the guild. And he mentions more about that, where to buy the tokens. I recommend you to do it from parts. Then, like I mentioned in another videos, he mentioned also the Optimism airdrop and what they needed to be Optimism user, repeat Optimism user, DAO voter. I plan to cover that in a further video. The multi-sign signers, I already covered that. I think I'm the only YouTuber that mentions step by step how to do that here for the airdrop in this video. So remember to do that. You need to donate to Gitcoin grants on layer 1 and price out of Ethereum. I plan to cover this stuff in further videos, guys, so be sure that follow me on the channel. And also remember to go to snapshot.org and vote in proposals, so you will be able to do that. And that's it, guys. That is all that he mentioned here in detail. Everything you will find it here in my videos of Arbitrum here. So check this. It will take you like 40 minutes at most, but you will know exactly what to do, and with $20 on Ethereum you are going to be able to do everything here. You are investing 40 minutes and $20 with the possibility to earn $20,000 or more on these guys, so I think it's worth it. Guys, that is all for the video. Arbitrum really needs the token as soon as possible to keep being the layer 2 solution above Optimism, and they are going to do it really soon because we are starting to see the coverage on media blog platforms, guys. That is all for the video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.